Tan 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 tan! Here is the smartest table tennis racket in the world, Choreiking. Very high quality ZLC blade. Wow, look at the box. Very well designed and a top-notch quality. The blade is very high quality ZLC blade. It has a similar quality to Butterfly's best table tennis racket. Choreiking smart table tennis racket with IoT. But wait, what is IoT? What is IoT for table tennis? Let's search IoT on Google. Oh, it is the sensor, a physical object that is embedded with sensors. So, Choreiking is a table tennis racket that is embedded with a sensor. For what? What is the purpose of the sensor in Choreiking? The advantage of Choreiking. So, Choreiking is the high-tech table tennis racket developed by the Go Tech company. It is a tool to analyze the speed of the swing. You will see the velocity and also direction and racket angle during the stroke. Oh, it is a very good tool to analyze the technique and also coaching to improve the skills. Connection with the application. You can connect the racket with an application on your iPhone or on your screen TV. You can download the application Chorei Swing Tracker and use it for free. Can I use the racket without the IoT device? Yes, it is a high-quality blade similar to Butterfly ZLC blade. Conclusion: I really like the product. This is the first time I see a table tennis racket with an embedded sensor. It will be a great tool if you want to practice table tennis at home. You can measure the speed of the swing, you can correct your stroke. Normally, when you shorten your stroke and increase the impact, then the spin and the power of your shot will increase. So, Choreiking is a great step to incorporate high-tech into this sport. questions and answer. I have contacted the CEO, the founder of GoGoTech, and he is very friendly to answer some of my questions. Number 1. So your product is a smart racket. The table tennis player will wing it, and then the data is sent to an application? Yes, the application shows how to count and analyze swings. Keep in mind that counting the swing is based on when the ball hits. Right, where speed is not the speed of the ball, but the speed of the arm. Number 2. Your application is in English or only for Korean players? Currently, we support English, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and German. Number 3. Could you please explain to me more what is its purpose? The purpose of this is to help everyone enjoy table tennis and play well. Thank you very much, Steve Kim.